You can put in a holding pattern at a fix that is not in the active route. The holding fix and pattern can be put into the route at the same time. Push the hold key. Put Avenol into the Hold At boxes. The message Hold At Avenol shows in the scratch pad. This is because Avenol is not a waypoint in the active route. The route shown on the legs page must be modified. The FMC will put Avenol and the holding pattern where you select. Select line 2 to put in the waypoint and holding pattern. The hold page shows data for a standard pattern on the course from CZQ-05. The FMC uses the flight plan course when there is no published holding pattern. Your clearance is to hold on the 304-degree radial. Put the 124-degree course into the inbound course line. Execute. The holding pattern dimension is small to prevent clutter. The holding pattern dimension becomes normal when the airplane is 3 minutes away from the holding fix. Show the legs page. The FMC put in Avenol as a waypoint on the line you selected, and the holding pattern was put in on the next line. The FMC put a discontinuity in the route after holding. You are inbound to the holding fix. Show the hold page again. The hold page shows the best speed for holding. The FMC calculates it from the airplane's altitude, gross weight, and flap position. The best speed is moved by the FMC to the target speed line. VNAV uses this speed as holding speed. The flight crew must verify that the speed obeys the ATC holding rules. Holding speed can be changed on the legs page or on the hold page. Put in 240 knots for the target speed. Execute. VNAV starts to decrease airspeed at approximately 3 minutes before the fix, and the holding pattern becomes normal size. The holding pattern page becomes active when you arrive at the fix. LNAV calculates the type of pattern entry from the difference between the inbound course and the airplane's heading when you pass the fix. Since the airplane is not required to fly directly over the holding fix during initial entry or exit, the FMC will calculate either a flyover or fly-by hold entry and exit track, depending on path geometry. This supports increased RNP capability by ensuring that the airplane remains on the maneuvering side of the holding pattern and within the depicted racetrack pattern even during a parallel entry. The FMC changes the bank angle based on true airspeed and wind. The maximum is 30 degrees of bank.